it's me Jay, and today we're back with another video. And today I'm gonna be playing with my boy Alex. Say hello. Yeah, the internet's pretty bad, guys. We're talking on Discord. Say hi, Alex. Oh, he can't hear us. Alex. Wait, let me just say. I said Alex, say hi. So we're gonna quickly go into a match. We're doing assassin mode in my VIP server, guys. And hopefully this goes on plan. Alright, so I wanna go to no, not Biolab. House 2. House 2 is the best. Okay, let's get into this. So this is not going straight. Okay. Okay, he knows that we're recording. We're just doing random 1v1s. Sorry, I haven't been posting. Thank you for the 40 subscribers. Just trying to find it. There he is. Cool. Okay. Alex, jump! Oh, so close. Okay. Done. He's so lucky. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! GG's. Oh, okay, so now it's actually 1-0 to me, guys. I said GG. Yeah, he said GG's. Okay, so it's 1 to me, guys. There's no bets going on, but we're just doing some random games. Yeah, so random games in this random video, guys. Well, not a random video. We just wanted to do a video. Wanted to show you guys, and I have the chill knife, and Alice is right here. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, okay, I wonder which map's gonna be next. I put assassin mode because it's gonna be much more easier having knives, so yeah. Oh. Okay, next one. I went outside. I'm just looking at my keyboard. Okay, go. He knew. We're both outside. Oh my god, you're so scary. Oh my god. Oh! How did you do that? What is he doing? I didn't even shoot. Let's go. And try to do his tricks. Sit on his face. Okay, now it's 2-0. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god, today. Okay. Right. Oh, that was unexpected, guys. You had to go. There was only like 2 matches, guys. 2 matches only. But we're just gonna go over here to Roblox. So we're gonna go back to Roblox. Yeah, because like we need to play some more murder mystery. after loading. Okay. So we can leave that Discord call. Just go off of Discord real quick. Let's go into Adopt Me, guys. I think it will be pretty good. Oh, I got a message. I got a notification by TikTok. I've been TikTok and walking. Oh my god, that's so glitchy. Okay. Oh, okay. I can't. There you go. Okay. Hey, that's a new update. I like the star thing. What is it? 1 star. What's 1 star? 660 stars. What's the meaning of this? Okay. Oh, just to let you know, guys, I have a neon dog. I do have a chocolate dog as well. And I'm getting... oh my god, excuse me, guys, I have to text somebody. Okay, that's done. That's so quick. I'm a quick typo, you know. Ooh, neon swan, okay. How about I trade for this? Oh. Are you on board? No. I actually got my hopes up. I bet someone's gonna trade me. I think I have another trade for this guy. Okay, how about I give you that and that? Still no. He's hold. Is this an You mad? Jesus. Oh my god. There's so so jelly. What is that? I see for trade. I'm trading them. I'm trading them. I'm trading them. It's so glitchy. Okay, what would you do if I put that in? Neon drug. Neon drug. Oh my god, guys. I wanna get on the choo-choo train. I wanna get on. No. Wait for me. Can I get on? Can I get? Yay! Go! I joined somebody's pickup. Go.
vendredi, samedi.
Oh my god, I don't even know why I'm
Ouais, j'avais mes
Eh,
partenaires chez
1, 2, 3. I have 2 children. Oh my god, just go. Go. Everybody's in. But why do they name their kangaroo? Hey, wait, no!
Ouais, ils veulent acheter.
I got to go in. I got not to go in. Jesus, they said they're all asleep. I have to leave. Oh my god, guys. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be a short video from you guys today. I know it's been pretty short for this video, guys, but there's more videos coming up today. With the Fortnite things, we might just play duos on the YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, smash subscribe button, smash that like button. Thank you guys for 40 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.